complete the assignment and deploy it on the render. So this is first API to check the health of the backend server. Status is okay. Now to test the cell API. So I'm getting the order ID. Now I'm checking the WebSocket API. So here first it is connected, then it is giving a pending, then routing, then building, then submitted, and then confirm. Similarly for buy, so it gave another order ID. Again, now it is connected, pending, routing, building, submitted, and confirm. Yeah, that's all. I will up I will update in the like readme file and provide all the URLs in the readme. Thank you.